In this video, we will be talking about adding contributors to your website on Squarespace. A contributor can help you to build website and edit website on Squarespace. So let's start it. First, we need to go to settings and then go to permissions. Here you can see an invite contributor. So click on it and you have to enter the name and email address of the contributor that you need to add. So let's enter it. Below you can see the roles that you want to assign to the contributor. I will assign him as administrator. So you can see the invite has been sent to his email. So when he will see the email, he can click on the link and he will be added to the website as contributor. We can cancel the invite as well by clicking on three dots and then click cancel invite. So the invite has been cancelled. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.